Another little hint about buying stuff. I use AliExpress a lot. I've never heard of them until about maybe a year ago. But anyway, a little hint for buying things. If it's your big bulky stuff, you got to pay delivery, whatever. However, if it's your small little things like your metal anti-fall ignition, your ferro rod, yes, this one I bought was £1.45 and it's for the complete thing. It's got a ferro rod striker. It's a really nice little probe kind of thing. But the package, the delivery would have been £4. That's how much delivery would have been, £4. Except if you go and buy 2 more items, it's free delivery. If it's in a bundle package, if it's got bundle and you click on the bundle deal, you can buy that. If you buy 2 more things, it's free delivery for all 3 items. So you can actually go and buy a lighter for a penny. You can go and buy some, I don't know, paracord for 70p. And it'll be cheaper than just buying the 1 item. So the whole 3 things together will cost you £3, but it's free delivery. So you're saving £2 or £3. It's just a little thing that people don't seem to realise, that in Tesco, obvious choice, they're all the same. Buy 3 for the price of 2. I have Marsden's home delivery, but it's 3 for the price of 2. So they're making you spend more money. AliExpress does not do that. They get you to buy more products and spend less money, which might not be good financially, but it's really good for their reputation.